How to fix WhatsApp microphone not working. So one of the reasons why your WhatsApp may not be working is maybe you haven't get access to WhatsApp for accessing microphone. So what you need to do is just long press and go to the settings of that app. And here you can see permissions on the second. Just make sure you have given permissions. I have given my permissions, but if you haven't, then here you can see not allowed. Under that, you will see the microphone option. Just tap on it and give access to microphone for your WhatsApp. So the another way is here on setting, what you need to do is go to storage and tap on clear cache. That will help you to refresh your WhatsApp. And even if that doesn't work, then maybe you should just reinstall your app by uninstalling it. And that may fix your issue of WhatsApp microphone not working. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.